particles have the symbols are given, which statement about these particles are correct? So they have the same number of electrons. 26 electrons इसके पास, ठीक है, remember it's छोटा 26, but it lost 2 electrons, right? 2 plus means it lost 2 electrons. दूसरे वाले के पास कितने? That's 27, but 3 plus means it lost 3 electrons, right? So 26 minus 2 is 24, 27 minus 3 is also 24. So they do have the same number of electrons, और वो सही है, ठीक है, तो बात खत्म. आगे चलो, ठीक है. There are two isotopes, and he says that Cl can have two isotopes, and they can have different neutrons, right? So one is 35, the other one is 37. Use these isotopes and carbon-12 and hydrogen-1. How many different relative molecular masses are possible for the compound with the molecular formula C2H2Cl3? ठीक है, तो इसकी masses कितनी हो सकती हैं? Remember the formula has अच्छा क्या है इस फॉर्मूले के अंदर? इस फॉर्मूले में ना देयर आर 2 कार्बन्स, तो वो क्या होगा? 12 plus 12, तो 12 और 12, प्लस इट हैज 3 हाइड्रोजन, सो वो 3 हो गया. नाउ देयर आर 3 Cls. नाउ Cl अभी हमने डिस्कस किया, इट कुड बी 35, सो ऑल 3 कुड बी 35. तो ये जो भी मास आ रही है इसको टोटल करो. आई डोंट नो व्हाट द मास इज, द कैलकुलेटर पे करना पड़ेगा. जस्ट opening my calculator, so it's 35 plus 35 plus 35, सारों को ऐड करो और बीच में ना there is 3 is added, plus there is 24, 12 plus 12. Now this comes out to be 132, right? So the formula molecular mass is 132 if all the Cls, all of them are 35. ठीक है, remember दो options हैं. It could also be 37. So the other one could be carbon 12, 3 hydrogens, and you could have 35. The other Cl is also 35, and then one of them could be 37. अब mass क्या हो जाएगी? 2 से बढ़ जाएगी. It's going to become 134. ठीक है, you can add that up, and it's going to become 134. और उससे क्या, how many different masses, molecular masses are possible, right? So we can just go on. We can go on. We can do further. We can check for further options. तो और क्या होगा? 12 plus 12 plus 3 to 35. So this could be 37, and the other one Cl could also be 37. ठीक है, 3 Cls. 2 of them are 37s. Now the mass will be 2 से और बढ़ जाएगी, 136 हो जाएगा. You can add them up, right? And the fourth one could be that all 3 of them could be 37. They could be the other isotope. ठीक है, पहला भी 37 है Cl, then the second one is also 37, and the third one is also 37. Just एक second. अच्छा, so all of them, तो ये भी 37 है, ये भी 37 है, तो अब हो जाएगा 138. And that's it. ठीक है, that's all the combinations I had, possible combinations. So the answer is 4. ठीक है, there are 4 different masses that are possible. ठीक है, so the answer is 4 in this case. So अगला 8 पे